This is ridiculous.
Courtroom drama is heating up fast. Emotions are flaring, and it looks like someone's about to get roasted. Let's see who comes out swinging.
No, it is simply what your argument is ridiculous. Town Center Place versus Jacqueline King. She can have a seat there. All right. This is your motion.
Your Honor, we request her COD and then can be granted an additional 30 days to move. As per the terms of the COD, her condition was to show that she had been looking for new house. I provided a letter from Ms. Little from Housing Bureau for Seniors showing the properties that she's applied to. Since that letter, she's even applied to even more. She's been accepted at about 3 of them, but she hasn't had her interview yet. And then even after she has her interview, there's no guarantee that the apartment will be ready at a certain time.
No interview date, no guarantees. The court doesn't like we're working on it. Is this delay a legit barrier or just a stall tactic?
So when are her interviews?
Would you mind if Ms. Little comes up?
Yeah. That's fine. Okay.
So Ms. King has been selected for 3 apartments. And one specifically, she's in the process of an interview. We don't have a date yet because there's still some paperwork. It's a really long process to get all of this done in such a short time frame, honestly, to get everything done. And so I would think the interview would be next week or so. She just needs to get down there and get it scheduled. I mean, the apartment that, have the biggest lead on isn't one we really want her to go to, because obviously in this short time frame, she's not going to get a great option to move into. So it'd be nice if we got her from the others, but we'll probably have to.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Response.
We're asking, for a written promotional order dismissal to be enforced. Part of the initial dismissal order was that she paid rent, she paid full rent, she paid time rent. And we've informed her as received an answer of she recertified, her rental increase went up to $270 a month, and she's still been paying $247. So she owes currently $79. And
$79 might sound petty, but in court, it's not about the amount. It's about keeping your word. Especially in subsidized housing, the rules are tight.
Time, full amount of rent stated in the initial dismissal, she has not. She's been informed that she had been paid by a letter that she's been paying less both times, and she has not submitted any extra money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your Honor, the vendor that plaintiff submitted with their answer is not the vendor that they seem to have removed all of the hat payments and Ms. King's credit, and produced this ledger that they claim is what she has paid. However, I've asked on more than one occasion for a complete ledger. This ledger starts in April of 2020. Ms. King has lived at Town Center for at least 8 years, and she's been in this new apartment for.
When was she recertified?
She was recertified.
I think it's in April or March.
It was January 16th, 2025.
January of this year.
The effective date was March 1st, 2025.
Of the rent. So it's March and April. That.
And Your Honor, as part of the terms of the consent order for official dismissal, we were to wipe her ledger as
I recall.
So before that date, shouldn't be a problem.
Now the math gets messy. The judge ordered her account wiped clean, but someone's ledger is playing games. Honest mistake or something sneakier.
Your Honor, the reason it's in controversy is because they wiped her account and included her February's payment, hopefully it's February 7th, and they wiped her credit. Now, what my understanding of wiping her account was to remove the charges that she had had since.
She was to zero out, that's what was supposed to happen.
Okay. So she gets zeroed out the credit that she has and the payment that she made for February? Because if you look back to prior to them filing this case, she had been paying $200.
I'm not relitigating the case.
Okay, well, Your Honor, the COD says that she abide by the terms of it. This is subsidized housing. Paying rent late, which she didn't do because she paid on the 5th, and they didn't process it until the 6th. And not paying the full amount of rent is not a eviction cause for subsidized housing. They are required to offer payment arrangements. The goal is for subsidized housing.
She entered into a COD that she was gonna pay her rent timely.
No, COD said she would not violate her lease. This is not a non-payment of rent case. Never has been.
Does she have the 79?
Yes, Your Honor, she has $79.
Then why are we arguing? Why does she pay it?
Because she has credit on her account, Your Honor. It's not fair to them to keep the credit, and they reverse the tax payment at a different
All right.
time. And
This
it's not a
is
violation- it's not a violation
this is
of the lease.
ridiculous.
And there it is. The judge has had enough. When compliance gets blurry, judges want facts, not confusion. This is where patience turns into a ruling.
No, it is simply what your argument is ridiculous. Because what I'm going to do is she was to abide by the terms. She has to pay her rent on time, got her account zeroed out, gave time for her to find new housing, gave an opportunity to then come before the court and ask for additional time if she showed that she was doing that and complying with the COD. She's not in compliance with the COD. I'm going to deny the motion to extend the time.
How is she not in compliance with the COD? It doesn't specifically say that she has to pay her rent one time.
It
or the
does.
full amount. It does.
It does.
It has things for late payments. It has other things that if you go to paragraph 23 or whatever, it lists the things that you can terminate.
I'm sorry. Your Honor,
Yes.
the second line from the last line says defendant will pay March and April rent at normal time. Your signature is right here.
And she paid on the 5th.
She did not pay her full rent.
Okay, but she paid on the 5th.
She didn't pay her full rent. We can go round and round in circles. Motion denied. Round in circles on this.
So, Your Honor, we'll submit a writ.
Thank you.
Thank you.